Welcome back, future orthodontists. Today we're exploring one of the most important foundations of every orthodontic case, the orthodontic assessment. Think of this assessment like a detective mission. Your job is to gather clues from the face, the mouth, and the records to build the perfect diagnosis. Let's begin with a mind map overview. The orthodontic assessment includes 4 key areas: extraoral examination, intraoral examination, space evaluation, and orthodontic records. Now, let's break them down one by one. Section 1. Extraoral examination. To make this easy to remember, use the mnemonic FPV. Face, profile, vertical proportions. FPV, just like face, profile, vision. First, the face. Look for symmetry. Is one side longer? Is the chin centered or shifted? Symmetry tells us a lot about skeletal balance. Second, the profile. Is it straight, convex, or concave? A straight profile usually suggests class 1. A convex profile points toward class 2. A concave profile suggests class 3. Third, vertical proportions. The face should be divided into 3 equal thirds. A long lower third may indicate an open bite tendency, while a short lower third may indicate a deep bite tendency. Section 2. Intraoral examination. Use the mnemonic AOAS. Arch form, occlusion, alignment, space. AOAS. Say it like AOS. First, arch form. Is the arch U-shaped or V-shaped? Is it narrow or broad? Arch form affects stability and treatment options. Second, occlusion. Check molar and canine relationships. Check overjet and overbite. Evaluate dental midlines. Occlusion is the roadmap to understanding malocclusion. Third, alignment. Look for crowding, spacing, rotations, and impacted teeth. This helps determine whether you need expansion, stripping, or extraction. Fourth, space analysis. Do a quick estimate. Do the teeth fit into the arch or not? More detailed space analysis will come later, but a quick overview guides your planning. Section 3. Orthodontic records. Use the mnemonic PMR. Photos, models, radiographs. Easy to remember, PMR. First, photos. Extraoral and intraoral photos help you assess facial harmony, smile line, and tooth display. Second, study models. Models let you evaluate occlusion, crowding, spacing, and arch form accurately. Third, radiographs. These include the OPG and the lateral cephalogram. Radiographs show impacted teeth, missing teeth, bone levels, and skeletal relationships. Section 4. Putting it all together. When you combined extraoral findings, intraoral findings, space analysis, and records, you build a complete orthodontic diagnosis and treatment plan. Remember, assessment is not just looking at teeth, it's understanding the whole patient. Summary. Extraoral exam equals FPV, face, profile, vertical. Intraoral exam equals AOAS, arch form, occlusion, alignment, space. Records equals PMR, photos, models, radiographs. Quiz time! Question 1. A concave profile suggests which skeletal pattern? Class 1, Class 2, or Class 3? Question 2. Which radiograph is essential for assessing impacted or missing teeth? Periapical, OPG, or chest X-ray? Question 3. Which mnemonic is used for the extraoral assessment? AOAS, FPV, or PMR? Question 4. Arch form is part of which assessment? Extraoral, intraoral, or records? Great job, everyone! You've completed the orthodontic assessment. Get ready for the next video. IOTN, and treatment needs.